Are you a world-leading innovator, researcher, entrepreneur, athlete, or creative professional eyeing permanent residency in Australia? Since 6th of December 2024, the Global Talent Visa has closed and the National Innovation Visa, also known as NIV, has taken its place as the premier pathway for exceptional talent. But did you know that securing a New South Wales nomination can put you straight into Priority 2? New South Wales has announced that they will be opening soon for National Innovation Visa. Stick around to learn how to leverage New South Wales endorsement and maximize your chance of invitation. I'm Suman Dua, registered migration agent at Nationwide Migration and Education. In this video, we will cover what is the National Innovation Visa, formerly the Global Talent Visa, eligibility requirements under the Department of Home Affairs, how the NIV priority bands work and why state nomination is equal to Priority 2, New South Wales specific nomination pathways and criteria, New South Wales merit-based selection process. So what is the National Innovation Visa? The National Innovation Visa is a permanent visa for migrants with an internationally recognized record of exceptional and outstanding achievement in an eligible field. It replaced the Global Talent Visa on 6th of December 2024, inheriting the same benefits, unrestricted work and study rights, Medicare access, and the ability to sponsor family members. You must be invited by the Department of Home Affairs before applying. Invitations are based on your expression of interest and the NIV priority framework. So what are the Department of Home Affairs eligibility requirements? Now, to lodge a valid expression of interest, you must show exceptional and outstanding achievement in one of these areas. So these areas are a profession, example, groundbreaking engineers, legal scholars; sport, for example, elite athletes, coaches, high performance specialists; the arts, for example, the internationally recognized filmmakers, designers or performers; academia and research, the PhDs with significant grants, citations, keynote presentations, and also meet the health and character requirements under Australian law. You could be offshore or onshore when you apply. You can be any age, but the applicants under the age of 18 or over 55 must demonstrate exceptional benefit to Australia. Now please note that invitation to apply is not a grant. Once invited, you'll submit a full visa application with all supporting documentation for a merits-based assessment. Now let's look at the NIV Priority Order and state nomination. The department issues invitations in this order. Priority number 1 is given to global experts with international top-of-field awards, example Nobel Prizes, Fields Medal. Priority number 2 is given to government-nominated candidates, those with a completed Form 1000 from a Commonwealth, state or territory agency. Priority number 3 is given to exceptional achievers in Tier 1 sectors like critical technology, health industries, renewables and low emission technologies. Priority number 4 is given to exceptional achievers in Tier 2 sectors, which is agri-food and agtech, education, defense and space, financial services and fintech, infrastructure and transport, resources. Now, the key takeaway is that a New South Wales nomination immediately places your EOI into Priority 2, right behind the world's top award winners. Now let's look at New South Wales nomination pathways and criteria. Now, New South Wales targets high impact candidates whose achievements align with the state's strategic interests, economic, scientific, cultural or sporting. There are 5 nomination pathways. The first one is academic and researcher. So distinguished record of original, impactful research relevant to New South Wales economic or social needs. The second pathway is for entrepreneurs. Proven history of founding or leading scalable, innovative businesses with high growth potential for New South Wales. Third stream is innovative investor. So track record of angel investments in innovative ventures that have driven success within New South Wales innovation ecosystem. The fourth stream is sports professional, exceptional sporting achievements, athletes, or outstanding coaching, specialist expertise, coaches or sports scientists. Fifth stream is creative professional. So international recognition in arts and culture, exceptional talent and artistic distinction in music, film, design, literature, digital media, etc. Next, let's look at New South Wales merit-based selection process. New South Wales employs a holistic EY-led approach to ensure merit, transparency and alignment with Department of Home Affairs expectations. The first one is the EY submission. Candidates submit key information about their achievement and proposed contribution via an online portal. Then expert review and shortlisting. So New South Wales officers assess qualitative aspects, achievement significance, credibility of plans, fit with New South Wales priorities. And next, invitation to apply for nomination. Shortlisted candidates receive a formal New South Wales invitation to submit a detailed nomination application. And then is comprehensive application and external endorsement. So candidates provide detailed evidence, reference letters, awards, business plans, and New South Wales secures an independent expert endorsement from an international authority in the field. And then next will be nomination decision and Form 1000. New South Wales applies an own balance test evaluating benefits to New South Wales versus any risks. Approved candidates receive a completed Form 1000 and formal letter of support. And next is the follow-up. New South Wales does maintain contact through the visa decision stage and can supply additional information to Home Affairs if required. So these were the requirements from New South Wales, and South Australia has also opened for NIV nominations soon, and Queensland has indicated that they will open soon. We have already made video regarding South Australia's NIV requirements and we will post a link below. If you believe that you're eligible for New South Wales nomination or in general for the National Innovation Visa, you can book a consultation through the link in the description below. Our team has successfully guided applicants through the Global Talent and now the National Innovation Visa programs. We'll assess your profile, advise on the strongest nomination pathway and support you through every step. Please note that New South Wales is not open yet for the NIV nominations, but they will be opening very soon. If you would like to stay updated about Australian migration, please subscribe to our channel.